New York City is the safest big city in the country because of NYPD officers. Being an NYPD officer is more than just a job. It's a career.
Making the transition from the military to the NYPD was easy. During my first 2 years, I earned GI Bill benefits in addition to my salary. And as a veteran, I can also buy back 3 years of my military time and apply it to my retirement from the NYPD. Being an NYPD officer is more than a job, it's my career.
Start your career now by taking the NYPD police officer's exam, and you could be making up to $85,000 after 5.5 years, complete with a great pension and benefits.